A little bit.
No strobe, dude. I have epilepsy.
Really?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah, dude. Shine in my face right now.
No, thank you.
I'll knock out right now.
Kidding, I don't have
I'm like, oh yeah. And I'm like, if you did that, dude.
Shine at my face right now.
Yeah.
You won't. Like that.
Oh shit, my camera's flying off now. Doesn't matter.
Oh shit. Get that side, cover it. Hurry up. Good. Good. I'm going to suicide, okay? You stay here. Yaduda. Mercy, we're gonna go to straight, you know what, go around. You guys stay here, okay? Mercy, come on with me. We're gonna go for suicide, alright?
Sure.
We need to.
Alright, go on left door. First left door.
Alright. No, watch the right door. I think there's a kid inside. Okay?
Wait, what'd he say?
I think no bands have suicide. Or did he say armbands?
Yeah.
Let's go with sure shot right now. Go. Alright, just watch your head, okay? There's a kid over there. Bang. Okay, yeah, no, he did.
I'm hit. You're an idiot. Are you kidding me right now?
What?
Keep shooting at me. I dare you.
Yo, chill. Friendly, cover me.
I got it.
Oh, true. Ha! Alright, let me know if you move. There's one in the hospital, okay?
You got that. I got this.
Alright. Wait for reinforcements.
Huh?
Never mind. I got one shooting at me from the hospital. Take him out. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna try and pop him out real quick. I don't see him. I think he wanted to cover. Huh? Wait for it. Hospital. In the H. Oh, I got him. Left H, there's a few. Watch, what? You get the left H, I'll get the right, hit. Are you kidding me? Heads up. Coming out. No, we're good. Yo, we gotta help out streets inside suicide. We got a couple kids in hospital. Oh, streets is down. Get to suicide. Bang. Dude. Bang. I shot you before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, through here.
Oh,
Yo, where's your brother? Got one, got one. Yo, where are you guys? We need to get suicide.
Alright,
I've gone back like 4 times. Cody, hold this. I'll be right back. Let's go. We got a bunch of guys in the hospital and the outhouse or whatever. So just watch over there, okay? All right, ready, set, go. You know what? Let me throw a banger in there. Oh, okay. Hit.
Are they in there?
They're going.
They moved up.
Alright, so let's go for compound.
They moved up from the hospital.
Let's go for compound. Let's go.
Just bang people. I don't have any match.
What's up? Yo, we're going to the compound, okay? Alright. Let's go. Hey. Did the guy in the pink die?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Dude, we just gotta run. Don't even shoot. Just run to the other side.
He's a cheater.
It's okay, dude.
Why don't we
Don't. Alright. Let's go for POW. Hold on. Hold on. Pop a motherfucking set out again, I swear to God. Ready, set, go! Oh, we got here. What? Bye. Go. Wait. Oh, is it not detonating? Bang. Nice shot, double. Alright, whatever. Guys, go. Go. Yo, you guys gotta move. Come on, you guys can't stay here. You gotta keep moving. You can't be... Run. Huh?
They like tied it down.
I know. What do you mean?
They like jams it in so you can't pull it up.
Did you tell the ref?
No, I got shot.
Alright, whatever.
Where is he?
I believe hospital. Give me a sec. Yep. He's in hospital. I got him. Go. Go.
They're still in the same spot.
Alright.
Are you serious?
Watch out, I'm going.
Roger. Yo, Reaper, your light's on in your dump pouch.
What?
Your dump pouch, there's a light on. There's a light on in your dump pouch.
There's a what?
A light.
Oh, on?
Yeah.
Shit, that's not nice.
Cody, I'm going for suicide.
Yeah,
Better yet, I'm gonna go for compound. Alright. What? Where?
it's a suicide. Where were you going?
I was gonna go to compound.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Ah, fuck.